If an emergency vehicle with flashing lights is approaching from either direction, you must until the emergency vehicle has passed. A. Slow down. B. Pull over to the right. C. Pull over to the left. D. Stop where you are. Answer B. Pull over to the right. When you're driving under 35 miles per hour, you should maintain a following distance of behind the vehicle ahead of you. A. 2 seconds. B. 3 seconds. C. 1 second. D. 4 seconds. Answer A. 2 seconds. If you are driving slower than the other traffic on a multi-lane highway, you should use A. The shoulder. B. A middle lane. C. The leftmost lane. D. The rightmost lane. Answer D. The rightmost lane. A double solid yellow line in the center of the road means that A. Traffic can go in only one direction. B. Passing is not allowed on either side. C. All traffic must stop at the line. D. Passing is allowed on both sides. Answer B. Passing is not allowed on either side. On interstate highways in Minnesota, the speed limit can be as high as A. 70 miles per hour. B. 80 miles per hour. C. 85 miles per hour. D. 75 miles per hour. Answer A. 70 miles per hour. Which of the following statements about passing a vehicle is false? A. You must complete the pass before you reach a no-passing zone. B. You may exceed the speed limit to pass the vehicle safely. C. You may pass on the right if the vehicle you are passing is making a left turn. D. You may not drive off the pavement to pass on the right. Answer B. You may exceed the speed limit to pass the vehicle safely. In Minnesota, you may make a left turn at a red light if you are turning A. From a two-way street onto a one-way street. B. From a one-way street onto another one-way street. C. From a one-way street onto a two-way street. D. From a two-way street onto another two-way street. Answer B. From a one-way street onto another one-way street. Under Minnesota law, which occupants of a vehicle must wear safety belts or suitable child restraints? A. The driver, rear seat passengers, and passengers under 18. B. The driver and passengers under 18. C. The driver, front seat passengers, and passengers under 18. D. Only the passengers under 18. Answer C. The driver, front seat passengers, and passengers under 18. When riding a motorcycle, you should turn your head to check your blind spots. This is known as A. Mirror check. B. Lane check. C. Head check. D. Shoulder check. Answer C. Head check. What is the minimum age to obtain a motorcycle instruction permit in Minnesota? A. 14. B. 15. C. 16. D. 18. Answer B. 15. When riding in a group, what formation should be used on a curve? A. Single file. B. Staggered. C. Side by side. D. Double file. Answer A. Single file. The SE strategy in motorcycle safety stands for A. Search, evaluate, execute. B. Stop, evaluate, escape. C. Search, escape, execute. D. Stop, examine, execute. Answer A. Search, evaluate, execute. If your motorcycle starts to wobble, you should A. Speed up. B. Hold the handle grips firmly. C. Apply the brakes immediately. D. Jump off the motorcycle. Answer B. Hold the handle grips firmly. When carrying a passenger, it is important to A. Accelerate quickly. B. Instruct them to hold on to the seat. C. Start slowing sooner than usual. D. Keep them relaxed and not holding on. Answer C. Start slowing sooner than usual. In Minnesota, the law requires all motorcycle operators to use at all times A. Their horn. B. A face shield. C. Their headlight. D. Their turn signals. Answer C. Their headlight. When approaching an intersection, it is crucial to A. Look straight ahead. B. Look both ways. C. Speed through quickly. D. Signal and stop. Answer B. Look both ways. How often should a motorcycle's oil be checked? A. Weekly. B. Monthly. C. Before every ride. D. Annually. Answer C. Before every ride. When should you increase your following distance? A. At night or in bad weather. B. In heavy traffic. C. On dry roads. D. On highways. Answer A. At night or in bad weather. What should you do if you are being tailgated? A. Speed up. B. Slow down and let them pass. C. Make a sudden stop. D. Weave in your lane. Answer B. Slow down and let them pass. The most important factor in managing a safe following distance is A. The speed of the motorcycle. B. The size of the vehicle ahead. C. The weight of the motorcycle. D. The road condition. Answer A. The speed of the motorcycle. When parking your motorcycle at the roadside, you should park A. Perpendicular to the curb. B. At an angle with the rear wheel to the curb. C. Parallel to the curb. D. In front of other vehicles. Answer B. At an angle with the rear wheel to the curb. To avoid fatigue on long trips, you should A. Ride continuously without stopping. B. Take frequent breaks. C. Drink caffeinated beverages only. D. Ride faster to shorten the trip. Answer B. Take frequent breaks. A group of motorcyclists should avoid riding A. Single file. B. Staggered. C. Side by side. D. In a straight line. Answer C. Side by side. When carrying cargo, it is important to A. Load it high. B. Distribute the weight evenly. C. Keep it loose. D. Place it on the handlebars. Answer B. Distribute the weight evenly. To handle a curve safely, you should A. Speed up before entering. B. Slow down before entering. C. Brake while in the curve. D. Lean back and relax. Answer B. Slow down before entering. Before changing lanes, you should A. Signal and change quickly. B. Check your mirrors and blind spots. C. Move without signaling. D. Look straight ahead. Answer B. Check your mirrors and blind spots. When riding in rain, you should A. Ride faster to avoid getting wet. B. Ride in the tire tracks left by cars. C. Use the center of the lane. D. Avoid using the brakes. Answer B. Ride in the tire tracks left by cars. If your motorcycle begins to skid, you should A. Apply the brakes hard. B. Throttle up. C. Steer in the direction of the skid. D. Jump off the bike. Answer C. Steer in the direction of the skid. When approaching railroad tracks that cross your lane, you should A. Speed up. B. Ride straight across. C. Swerve to avoid them. D. Stop completely. Answer B. Ride straight across. The safest way to stop quickly is to A. Apply the front brake only. B. Apply the rear brake only. C. Apply both brakes simultaneously. D. Use engine braking. Answer C. Apply both brakes simultaneously.